Hi there, let's take a look at Amazon. To see where the price goes next, we'll cover the weekly market structure, check out the short-term trend so we can assess the risk of next price move. From a big picture perspective, Amazon is still in the markup stage of the market cycle. So you can see this blue box over here. It just tested the channel ceiling, coming back down from the channel ceiling like the multiple times it has tested this since the beginning of 2025, near the end of 2025, as well as May. So the current price is around this channel top. The support, the key level, is actually at $239 because there is just one intermediate level around 260. You see this little peak over here and quite a number of candles right over there, but those are not solid references. And this is education content only, not financial advice. Major resistance still remain the channel top because it is at all-time high. The channel is the best tool we have as of this moment by drawing on the chart. Okay, of course, you can use other metrics to measure. So what about the short-term trend, the daily time frame? Last time we talked about this. It is actually being governed by a descending trend line. It popped out for a short while, but then immediately the bears push it back. So we can adjust it slightly just to make sure it covers this and this. All right, the center is fine. So we can move back the date from August 24th to the 2nd of September. So what does this wedge mean? If the trade continues to come down or bounce above 254 to this level, to this resistance, then by the beginning of September, it has to break one of the lines. There's no third option. Either it breaks the downtrend resistance, or it breaks this support and comes back to challenge the 239 I just talked about. Okay, so it is sitting at this situation right now, and this gap jump, a lot of people believe that the market tends to fill the gap. All right, it gapped from 239 all the way to 260 plus, and it's now coming back to this void. All right, so that's the situation of Amazon with volume coming back down from that crazy jump. All right, it's returning to the July kind of level, and even most of the early part of this year. So this one hasn't sustained, and unless it comes back with similar higher than average volume, the bounce or making a new all-time high may become harder and harder. All right, so remember to subscribe to see the next update, and let me know in the comment whether you think this downtrend will continue and break the support, or are they going to find support at 245 and change the trend. See you in the next one. Thank you.